Hey y'all, hey. So everyone's doing these videos and I pretty much just wanted to show you guys what's inside my bag. Now I will link this below. This bag I got from Amazon. Long story short, I was gonna go back and forth with Bloomingdale's. I was gonna go back and forth with Bloomingdale's about getting my Longchamp. I can't remember if it's like the LaPage or LaPage, whatever the acronym is, but it was a bigger one that's similar to this size, or maybe that one might be a little bit smaller. So basically, at the start of the pandemic, right before I dropped off my bag to be repaired at Bloomingdale's up in White Plains. Did I ever hear from them? No, I always had to be the one to reach out. I reached out multiple times. I even went there when they finally opened back up, and I was told that the third party that they have repairing the bags is still getting around to let everybody know when they're gonna get their bags back. I got a receipt. I'll always follow up. Maybe back in like 2021, maybe like 4 times, and I digress. Now, I did try to attempt to reach out to someone in that department recently before I got this bag, because I was like, maybe I'll get lucky. I was telling my coworker all about it. Y'all, it did not work out the way I wanted it to. I just got the same runaround. So, I got a bag that was similar. I like this part right here. It's really, really cool. It doesn't have like the thickness of the Longchamp, but it is what it is. It seems like it holds so much. Today would be officially a week I've had it, I believe. I just have a little sanitizer bottle on the outside because I just feel like it makes sense to have it on the outside of your purse as opposed to like a little spray thingy that people have inside. Laptop, I take that with me sometimes. It's just like papers and stuff. So basically I have like a planner here. Paper for my car, put this in. So I have this planner that I keep with me. I got this for my job. I like my little folders for things that I have to do personally. I keep this mug in here every once in a while. In most of my bags, just because I like to have a mug as opposed to a plastic container or cardboard. Portable charger, you guys have seen this in my other videos for travel. These are my hard drives that I use on my laptop for the other many videos I have for you guys. And it holds it very well. So again, it seems like it's not too heavy. This is my little carry-all purse that I have of like, just like floss, napkins, Neosporin, because I be cutting myself in here with my nose. A little travel perfume container. I've showed you guys all this stuff like in my travel videos. And you know, pens. I have wipes in here. This is my other baggie, pretty much. I don't have a bag that I can think of that holds all these things, so I was just like, okay, let me repurpose a old Ziploc bag of where I had like grapes and stuff in there. So, yeah. My notary stamp. The chargers for the job phone and my personal Android phone, which is right here, and my AirPods. I have like a little bag in here that I got from my friend's baby's first birthday. Basically, you open this up and it's a reusable bag, so this is really cute. You never know when you're gonna need something extra. Even though this bag definitely looks like it can hold a couple of groceries. This bag right here, I just have, even though my hair is like in this big curly like frill type of deal, crochet style, I always have like an extra scrunchie, and I know you're gonna need it. I just have it wrapped around this little baggie of, you know, personal hygiene things for women. So pads. Chapstick. I usually keep this inside my car anyway. Another pen. Mask. What else? Bluetooth mouse. Charging cord. And I'll also put that in here too. That's the only thing that can't fit in here is the little charger. So I'm pretty sure I have one in here too. This is probably just backup for something. Can't remember. And I have like a little notebook here of like, you guys have seen this notebook before, I'm pretty sure, just like for my bills and stuff, the things I want to jot down. Random napkin. Anything else? Desk, clip, binder clip. I can put that in here. This is a good opportunity for me to organize some more too. Okay, and that's it. That is it. There's nothing else in here. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed all the things I can pack in here, which I think is amazing, seeing how it is heavy-ish, but this bag makes everything seem like so roomy and light. And in addition to me putting everything in little baggies like such, wallet is huge, but hey, keeps everything where it needs to be kept. I have 2 masks. I should probably just put these to wash and get a new one. I have this little baggie thingy. So I normally just keep my phones and my AirPods right there, so it's like close. This I'm realizing I don't necessarily need in here, but if I did, I'll put that in. And I do want to work on videos on my laptop, so I'm gonna bring these with me for my lunch hour. Pen and lip gloss, and of course the mouse to go with the laptop. So yeah. And if I choose to bring another mug of hot chocolate or whatever, or tea, that's there also. But this holds everything pretty well, and I'm happy with it. Let me see. I don't think I've zipped it up yet. Oh, look, see? I zipped it up and it stays up nice and neat. So like I said, it's similar to a Longchamp, but it's not, and which works out fine, because the other ones I have seen that are similar, they have like this logo thing that I'm not a fan of, like the logos. Nah. The Longchamp was reasonably priced, so that's why I got it. I think I probably got it on sale at Bloomingdale's, but either way, it's okay. I got this for about, I want to say like 30 to 40 bucks. I will link it below so you guys have the opportunity to check it out, okay? So thanks for watching, guys. Good night.